Yo, what up? Let's see. I add into my broker real quick. Can't trade without a broker login, right? How's everyone doing this morning? Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Let's see, we got the market closing early tomorrow. So hopefully we catch this bag today. Oh, having issues with my broker. How's everyone doing? Full port Thursday? I don't know, man. We gotta see. I'd love to get some full ports for you guys, though. Maybe get like a good spin the wheel, do a celeb shot or something. See if we can call Dodgy or T-Trades, give us a trade idea. I'll get my charts pulled up here in a second. Just trying to log into my broker. I should have done that before I started, but. Bro, this shit is being weird, bro. It's like taking me to the TradeWise home screen. Well, I think we're good now. That was the weirdest thing I was seeing. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Okay. I'll pop out the chat. Alright, so let's talk about my plan for this morning. I'm honestly a little bit 50-50. The main reason why is because we have this daily gap that's bearish. We have this daily bullish gap. So price can really do, like, it's probably gonna play ping pong in here and just bounce in between. I hope it doesn't. If I were to lean one side or the other, I hope we go higher. We got some relative equal highs up here. So I have the 4-hour bullish gap marked off that we're currently bouncing from at this moment. And if we drop down to the hourly, it's looking like we'll potentially form an hourly breaker block as well. Like if we can get above the 4 a.m. high. Now let's check out the seek and destroy. Let's see where we're kind of. Okay, so we got this Asia range from last night. That's when, you know, Trump was talking. And we got London right here. So my first target is obviously going to be in London. Buy side right there. Buy side right here. I really do this shit. I really do this shit. Let's check the 4-hour again. Yeah, I mean, we do have some 4-hour bearish gaps in here, so I feel like it's going to be very hard for price to cut into these gaps. But we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So, yeah, it's not like it has a whole lot of like low resistance liquidity above us, so we can just like cut through it. It's going to be high resistance, so I think we're going to chop around today. It is the day before NFP, and it's an early work week. Yeah, I don't know. I think we grind higher anyways. We need to go back in here and fill some of these voids. Just I hope we get above it. Is all I hope. No point in doing the Asia, measuring the Asia range because it's just so freaking big. Shout out to all the people that traded that last night. I'm mainly just going to be watching the 4-hour gap here right now. So let's hop into the chat and see what they got going on. Yo.
Yo. Ooh.
What y'all think?
Watching YM, see if the Dow can like kind of sink and clear some lows out to then distribute that NASDAQ.
Yeah, we were just talking about this Asia range for like the third day in a row. It's like been insane.
Yeah. 430 points. I just want to see NQ take London highs and just see what happens from there, really.
Where we got any news this morning? No, we just had 8:30 news. Yeah, 8:30 and 8:30 the next 2 days, and then obviously the market close at 9:15. That's so stupid.
Doesn't make much sense.
Also, we could be seeing potential choppy conditions in here because we have a daily gap that's bearish and a daily gap that's bullish, and price just kind of bounce around, and we could see price bounce around in here and not really do much of anything. I feel like even if I wanted to see higher prices, I feel like it's going to be very hard for price to get above this 4-hour gap. So low-hanging fruit today would be at London high for longs. I feel like at least. So let's put bullish. Yeah, what I have marked off is I'm bullish, but we could see a choppy AM session due to the Asia expansion. So be careful today for sure. I didn't realize it was gonna be so short of a week. That's crazy. Let's see.
5-minute gap today. I didn't see this. There's more. There's like an SMT at this hourly within this hourly gap between NQ and ES.
Bro, oil's up 13%.
That's pretty fucking nuts.
That's pretty bearish for indices, I'll tell you that right now. Oh my god, bro. When did this thing start pumping? Yeah, it started pumping last night. Bro, that's crazy. But if you just would have bought this fair value gap here at freaking at 9-10 last night instead of freaking watching Netflix, you'd be up so fat right now. Yeah, but bullish oil up 13% is not good for indices today. So may actually be leaning a little bearish here. I feel like everyone in these markets, like the most obvious thing has not been working out. So I wouldn't be surprised if we rejected from this daily gap that we're in and just inversed and went lower. Like it would not surprise me. I'm gonna mark it off just in case.
Daily's kind of bouncing off the OTE as well.
Yep.
See, I just want to see how we trade through it or around it until 10 a.m. If we inverse it higher, then I'll look for London highs. But if we start to get a rejection, may take a short. It's pretty small though, I don't know why. Oh, this actually doesn't work.
Let me log into my account. So. There she is. There you are.
I just don't know what to reach for. But low key, a 5-minute breaker down here too. I'd watch this right here, guys. This 5-minute IFEG / breaker to the downside. It's not good for indices at all if oil's up 13%. Bitcoin's also down 3% as well. Potentially something like this.
Wish I held a runner on my Dow short. Damn.
Yeah, bro. Sheesh. A breaker right here too. I would like to see another candle, but also, guys, no point in chasing price. Although I do want to spam market sell right now. I don't think it's sketchy at all shorting this. I mean, we've seen like the opposite happen a good bit in this market, where you think we have a big candle on the daily that shoots up, and then the next candle just shoots right down and engulfs it.
It's a little sketchy because you're shorting very low in the range.
Exactly. That's the only problem I have.
That's why it's not the best. But I'm very happy that it is dumping, or like we're not. Hopefully, we don't respect this daily gap so that I can get lower prices for long-term buys on indices.
Yeah. I think what I'm gonna do is no SMT here. I got my sell limit set on NQ at 720. Let's see if we can get it. I mean, technically you could short ES right now if it's a little sketch, though. I would like to see at least another candle form to the downside on ES before doing that. You don't like how we left these highs up here? Yeah. See what you mean, but also if you want to like wait and not take this trade, wait till 10 a.m. because it'll tell us if we're gonna inverse or respect this bearish gap or not. Oh, I just got tagged in. Yeah, good thing people didn't take any ES or anything. Let's check 15 minute. We got 15-minute candle closure in 3 minutes. Dang, oil's up 15%. That's crazy.
Yeah, the shit's getting a little bit more rocky.
Oh, what is?
Around the world.
Oh, yeah.
Gas prices are through the fucking roof.
Well, oil's the key to everything. Like, you know, like groceries, getting to the grocery store, you know what I mean? Like everything revolves around oil. Let's see here. It's respecting 15-minute gap. What is the 15-minute gap? Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. See what happens. Oh, Kirk Cousins to the Raiders? I feel like him and Fernando Mendoza are the same type of person. How does oil affect indices? Because if you get a rise in oil, it's usually it's not good for the economy, because you gotta think everything relies on oil. You know, family of 4 getting to the freaking grocery store, picking the kids up, people commuting. You know, everything relies on it. I need to see 632 get hit, which is right here. Okay, that's not that much lower. Yeah, there you go. There's another one. I'd like to see the power bill on one of these like AI companies, like AI labs, it's just data labs. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we got a 5-minute candle closure right there. Got a breaker, got a fair value gap, whatever it is. I'm still looking for lower prices. But I will say, if you look at the hourly chart here and the 4-hour, it looks like nothing is getting respected. Like going lower here, oh, guess what? Now we're going to inverse it and go higher. And now we're going higher here. And I'm basically betting that the trend is not going to hold, is what I'm doing on this trade. And I'm on. Let's see if we can dump here.
I need NASDAQ to, I want NASDAQ to at least run that 810 low. Wow, I can't
believe it either, yeah. That's why I was gonna go. That was where I was gonna go break even.
Fucking low.
That's why I was gonna go break even.
Yeah, I wanted. Oh my god. I wanted a sweep. I wanted a sweep of this low, and then like if the reaction was bullish from here, I would have targeted the relative equal highs above. Like motherfucker.
Yeah.
I really wanted 666.
I had two. We still have some upside targets, but I really didn't think we'd respect where we're at right now.
Yeah, it's not reversing off of anything here.
Yeah.
I mean, it is within a 15-minute gap, and there's like SM.
Uh-huh.
No, there's actually not. Sorry, wait, no, there is. It's like down here, but
Yeah, I mean, potentially you could use this breaker to get long from the highs. But I'm probably going to wait for another like 10 minutes or so.
No way why I've not even run below.
I'm gonna then
Wow.
assume maybe we run this high here. We run this high here, and then I could frame it back down to the low. We'll see.
Yeah.
It's gonna have to be fucking perfect, though. I just have range low, range high on all three assets marked off. What's my detail on?
Yeah, oil's dropping a little bit, yeah. Basically, to see what happens at 10 a.m. I thought we'd just dump. At least run the 810 low. And I was going to go break even right there, but of course. Someone said 15 minutes.
Bro, Asia session, like I said yesterday, is prime New York 2022. And New York is fucking Asia.
Yeah. Bitcoin monthly. I don't know, 8,000 to 58,000. Gold daily right here. Major distribution, man. Trading view.
There she is.
Why breaker plots have any power over price? They don't. They're mainly just, support, turn, resistance, resistance, turn, support. So I think of this as like an order block, right, to the downside. When that gets disrespected, resistance becomes support. That's all it is. Oh, yeah, this is MNQ. So this is NASDAQ, like the micros. I mean, I'll take a breaker long here. You got more than enough room till you get to this 4-hour bearish gap. I just really, really thought we'd at least run this 810 low. And then I was going to go break even. Plus oil popping off. I was like, okay, we should at least die down to here. But I got Judah swings. Oh, dang. Cardinal short side. Yeah, there's 5-minute inverse too that you could potentially use.
This is good follow through right now. I like this, how it's running towards that high here. S&P 500 stronger asset.
Yeah, I don't see why we would take London from there. It's annoying we didn't get that low run there.
Correct. Yeah, supply and demand zone.
See a run of this high.
But you also combine it with like an intermediate perspective, like a 4 hour or a 1 hour level. So for me, the short was, we were rejecting from this 1 hour gap, and on top of that, the lower time frames were doing it as well. So that's why I took a short. The only part was a little risky because we sold off so much. But maybe I was just a little early. Anytime price ES is leading, price is garbage. Tell Matt to check RTY.
Yeah, take that 4 hour gap better than 2.
Feels much stronger. Okay.
RTY is much stronger.
Rose much stronger. Much stronger.
Yeah, RTY's really took London.
Oh yeah.
See that? Yes has ran that high.
Let's see what happens here. Take a stab at longs. Don't want to see London get run out though. Probably just means I sit around. Well, I was gonna go TP right here on that short, and maybe potentially catch like the lower day if we whipped higher. But it tagged me in and never went lower. I was like, oh my gosh. I felt like for longs you would want that too. You know what I mean? Like they would have wanted this 8 a.m. low to get ran out, but it's been a weird market. It's been very tough to navigate.
I would have full sent this long, literally, if we ran this low.
Dang it.
If it was like this. If it was like this, that would have been like literally like the most picture perfect long.
Okay, I'm not really convinced we're bullish. Yeah, I mean, we got that 4 hour gap up here price could reject from. I have a feeling it's just going to do something like this. So come up here, tag it, and then just kind of hang out. Because you got to think tomorrow it closes at 9:15. The weekend, I don't really expect much out of it. ES ran London highs, NQ has not. I don't see any sort of setup here at the moment.
Yes, I kind of tilted with all this shit. I was starting to do good trades, understand how the market goes, blah, blah, pass through evals, out. Funny account, but now damn, I'm just tired. I mean, the job of the market is going to teach you a lot about yourself, and obviously, like a lot of bad emotions are kicking in, and our job as traders is to simply, literally, just try our best to manage and navigate through those conditions, because like it's literally going to bring out the worst in you, and it's going to make you feel absolutely horrendous and tempt you to do horrible things.
Yeah.
So like it sucks that we're within market conditions that are extremely manipulative, extremely volatile, but the only thing that you can do, like complaining is not going to get you anywhere. The only thing that's going to get you somewhere is adapting to the manipulative price conditions and the volatile way that everything is in the world. Like it's the only way that I can tell you as to how you can move forward from this. Or one, or the other option is you take a step back and you wait for everything to fizzle out. But as we've been seeing lately, the prime conditions in the market has not been New York AM session. Like it just hasn't been what we're used to seeing, which is another reason why I have been monitoring other trading sessions. And it has been delivering much better than it has been during New York. Like
Matt, what do you think
PM
about
session yesterday.
Matt, what do you think about a 15-minute breaker on NQ?
The stop loss is just, unless what would your stop loss be?
I was thinking at 23,750. Because, I mean, honestly, we should have really come all the way down there. Like, it's below the breaker,
right.
and it's below the IFEG on the 5-minute.
You're right.
Because that's going to be treated as a breakaway gap.
You're right.
That's about I mean, your target would be the 4-hour gap above you. That's the only thing I see for, like, an entry.
All right.
If I want to catch longs. Tradecopia. Oh, yeah, I forgot about VWAP. We got to bring VWAP out. See what she's doing. I swear to God, my trade got beat by VWAP again. Oh, nah. VWAP was all the way up here. Alright, so we ran London High. Probably just gonna cancel this order. Yeah, I'm definitely not bearish anymore. At least not yet.
OTE tap on daily for YM was fucking perfect. Literally perfect. That's right, though.
Did anyone happen to enter this IFEG at 9:45 on the 5-minute? That was about the only thing I saw from there. Definitely looking like we're reaching for that 4-hour gap. Looks like a very, very good candle. Dang, dude.
Gold doesn't look too bad for a 15-minute breaker long.
Yeah. Targeting the Asia highs up there.
Yeah, gold really doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, to be fair.
You can't trade gold on, what's it called?
Apex, no.
No. You could trade it on,
Ratified, Lucid, Alpha.
yeah.
New 10 a.m. candle, new 4-hour candle. Yeah, that looks pretty bullish.
I can't even take it on my alpha account because I'm already at the 50% for 6K. But if you wanted to take this isn't a bad trade right here. On the 15-minute, right here. Like shoot like that. This is not a bad idea. Right there. Gold.
Yeah, if you guys are eyeing the 1 hour breaker on NQ, you'd be getting your entry like right around now. But I mean, you're gonna try to hold that all day really. It's a 125 point stop for. You need price to get above the 4 hour bearish gap, which I don't really see that happening today. I'd much rather play it up to there.
Or you buy in at the wick on the breaker for gold. But I think that the one of the two is fine.
Asia high on NQ. Man, that'd be crazy. That would be crazy.
I mean, anything's possible with Trump methods, but I wouldn't be banking on that.
If gold could even give the tag in, damn.
You know, it'd be the most on par thing for indices if it runs London high and dumps down.
I would actually
Like that would be so like.
Yeah, that's what I originally wanted, to be honest.
I would
Really?
prefer that happening. I'm not gonna lie.
I just don't like how clean the move higher was, though. You know what I mean? Like this is actually dumb clean.
Yeah.
Except I wish I would have took that 8 AM low.
I would be very happy for a dump right here, and I'm honestly gonna watch it. I think that if we can dump from here, I'm gonna short it down to the lows.
Yeah, I agree. Got 6 hours RT1 YM.
Yeah, I'm literally gonna fucking do this if we get it.
Clock.
So what's the 90 minutes? 6 hour gap. SMT. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, I like this actually.
Oh my god, how did we not tag the 4 hour gap on ES though?
I would even do like a beginner position on the Dow.
Damn, so you really like
Dow,
shorts, huh?
Dow's the weaker pair.
You really like shorts, huh?
Yeah.
I like them.
Well, it's not that I don't know if I. It's not that I don't like shorts. I just don't like longs, really.
It's just a tricky spot by prices.
Yeah, it's just a weird spot. Would have liked longs a little bit better.
Did Gold give the breaker tag? Damn it. No, it did not.
We didn't. Maybe we can.
This is exactly what I have, guys, for gold. There's S&T at these resting lows here from London. A nice manipulation leg creating the S&T, and then a V shape out of it, displacing. So maybe price leaves behind this 15-minute gap, and then it aligns with the breaker. You can get the tag, and then you look for the 1 to 2 risk reward. It's pretty close to two tagging that, but we'll see. But I am gonna watch to see if I can get a short off on the Dow.
What's the question, bro?
Damn it, gold literally missed that tag by fucking 1.1.
Might be able to watch something from the M15 gap because if we like going to take London here, well, silver's going to take London in a sec, so we might be able to like get a bit of a retracement back into the range, and then the next M15 candle could create the low of the 10 o'clock candle, frame something from there.
Yeah, I literally didn't see this thing, and I literally just saw this until now. I didn't see this until now.
Yeah, I wasn't even looking.
How about shares?
It even offered something clean down below too, which is pretty nice.
Yeah.
It is pretty high up now though.
Russell is on crack.
Who's Russell?
Yeah, RTY is moving.
You're in 1 hour breaker on ES for long, so yeah, good stuff, bro. Be prepared to hold that for the day. You know what I mean?
Yeah, RT. I wasn't watching. I wasn't watching gold. Up until literally me checking at 9:45, seeing this candle. But this definitely was a nice, valid move, especially with the sweep on silver. That was textbook.
That's good.
That was textbook.
Yeah. Silver down 5%, gold down 3, oil's up 10. Yeah. So a lot of tech stocks are down. Like the Mag 7's down. I don't know really why we're pumping. Doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. Like literally Tesla, Facebook, Apple, like everything's down. Like, All right. You lost your funded? Yeah. Well, go get another one, bro.
Enter the giveaway.
You can do it. Why are we so bullish? I don't know, bro.
Because we're just very low in the range. Prices just needs to pop and rebalance.
Yeah, that's kind of my thing. I mean, we sold off in Asia. I think we're just going up to balance that range and then go lower. As much as I'd like to see buy side get hit and trade through all this low resistance liquidity, I think we're just gonna like dump, even though we are in a monthly gap.
Literally, the picture perfect longs would have been a sweep of the
8 a.m.
666 low,
Yeah.
and then SMT there, and then we would have went like a Judas swing at the open down to that
8
low at
a.m.
810,
Yeah.
and then boom, we would have been good. But the fact that we left the lows behind definitely didn't leave me in a bullish bias.
Yeah, I feel like war news kind of wears off pretty quick. Like I feel like it's very news driven. It's like once the news comes out, like it'll be like a maybe an hour long sell off or pump, and then it's right back to what it was before. Whereas like news like 10 years ago, like of like war, it's bearish for like 3 weeks. You get clean price action. So
All right. Goal's not going to give the tag in of that 15-minute breaker, unfortunately. Literally, it edged the entry by 1 point. So So I'm gonna take that away. I mean, it's not even like I could have taken it, but for you guys.
Trading tomorrow? No, probably not.
We can't.
Yeah. I think it shuts down 9:15.
Today's basically Friday.
Yeah. Yeah, watch for a 15-minute gap, Lusk, to see if we can catch it back to Asia highs, if that's something you're watching for. Also have a 15-minute breaker right here too. Price could potentially move down, tag that, and then go higher. It's about the only thing I see though.
Steve.
Good Friday.
This today. This today.
Yeah, I mean, if you're trying to take a long, like this would be it. The 15-minute breaker targeting up to that Asia 2115 level, 160. And then obviously the Asia highs up here. But just know what you're going to be trading into. You're going to be trading into a bearish 4-hour gap, so. Yeah, that's kind of how I feel too, Lusk, honestly. But I've had so many break evens in March. Let's see.
If I had a static RR of 1-to-1 in March, I'd have probably had a really good month.
Yeah. That is facts.
23.
The amount of break evens has been criminal.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy.
23,955 short. That's pretty risky short, but I hope it works out. Alright, 15-minute print on NQ. What you could do too is wait for any sort of lower time frame confirmation inside of this breaker to the upside, rather than just buying it, because it's got a 100-point stop on it. So it'll give you more confirmation if you just wait on lower time frames. Drop some questions in the chat. What trade copy are you use? Tradecopia.
What's the monthly cost for Tradecopia, Nick?
It's gonna be, I think, like 39, I believe. But that's unlimited accounts. I think if you pay, I think 29 and 49, I believe. But 49 gives like those built-in risk management tools and whatnot. You don't need them, but it's pretty cool to have them. But you get unlimited accounts. Yeah, 50. Yeah. What's a regular trading hours gap look like?
I just realised I'm so sunburned from today.
Nice.
So
You're
I
gonna
was
peel
riding a
like
bike
you're gonna
around.
peel like a snake.
I literally will, bro. Because I was riding a bike around the mountain, so because the wind's hitting you, you don't really realise you're getting burnt.
True.
If you could trade. Favorite plan? Ooh. Favorite prop firm plans probably gotta be. Man. Ooh, it's a tie, honestly. It's between the Apex End of Days and the Lucid Flex accounts. Yeah, those are my two favorite. When you copy trade a prop from a live person at the same time, do you set live person as a leader account to avoid slippage? No, actually. I'll set the smallest prop account I have is the leader. So it copies better. Like the ratios are a little bit different.
I can't believe gold edged like that. That's crazy.
Matt, you bet the Yankees last night too, or no?
No, I didn't take anything yesterday. I was dried out yesterday.
Inside two daily PDOAs, yep. Bouncing in between them. All right, 4 hour gap was just tagged on in queue. Watch out here because we are bouncing between 4 hour bullish gap, 4 hour bearish gap. So could see a potential for chop. I don't think so. Not yet, anyways. Wow, wow. I'm surprised so many people, even after I took shorts and got stopped out, are still favoring shorts. Dang, kind of blows my mind actually. Because this 4 hour candle is pretty clean to the downside. I mean, it swept and then went higher. The 1 hour did not do it, however. But I thought it was going to.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, until this high is taken on the Dow, I'm short biased. If this high gets ran, then I'm not.
Yeah.
Only my prime reason is because there's no SMT below us that's supporting me as an identification for a protected low. The only thing that you got behind you is just the fact that price is moving hard, like moving strong.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
what
What's
you-
worse? Watching TGR bootcamp or being in Dodgy's server live trade for a month. Listen to Dodgy. Call out 15-second inversions. Come on, I know you guys want that. I still say TGR boot camp. I think Matt sent me a photo of him like one time on a toilet in the middle of the boot camp or something. Like it was the weirdest thing ever.
My God.
What's his real name, Matt?
Tyler.
Tyler. Okay. I heard he's like 6'8", bro.
He is a fucking giant.
Really? Damn.
Him and Carson are fucking huge. Like, I dabbed him up when I was at their event in Miami, and I didn't want a picture. Like, Paul was like, "Yo, like, get a flick." I'm like, "No, like, no, I don't want a picture with him." Like, genuinely, like, I don't want to take a picture with him.
Is he taller than me?
Yes.
Whoa.
Fuck.
Like, oh, yeah, he's over you, bro. Him and Carson are like 6, 7, 8.
Oh, where'd you see him at?
Their Kiltech event in Miami.
Okay.
Cal, I'm 6'4", I'm pretty sure. Maybe a bit taller.
That's crazy. I didn't realize he was that tall. I thought he was like 6'4", 6'5".
I'm pretty much the same height as you, Nick.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah. I think you're taller, honestly. There's time to look up Scottsdale golf tee times. Getting into the mood. Mark ain't doing nothing. Let's see, Weekapa.
God, my arm looks like a squashy.
Oh, damn, they built a freaking hotel there. That's pretty nice. No, 4 players, 18 holes.
Yeah, I still can't believe that we didn't run that low. I can't believe that.
I don't know. Oh, you talking about the 8 a.m. low?
Yeah, I can't believe we didn't run the 8 o'clock low.
Kind of wild, not gonna lie.
Would have been the. Oh, it would have been such a clean long, bro. M5 IFUG long, sweep of the low with SMT.
That's so criminal.
That would have been perfect.
Earliest we play is like 11 a.m. to.
If it was London or Asia, we would have swept the low, for sure. Like, guaranteed.
1, 2, 6, 1.
We're about to break the SMT on the Dow, and that's going to leave me no interest in PA for the day.
Nice Dakistan.
Mhm.
All right, well, I'm gonna find some other tea times. This place is already booked up. That's crazy. 602.
Nick, bro, golf courses here are actually insane. I drove past one the other day.
Which one?
Where I'm staying at the moment, it's like a hotspot for golf holidays at the moment.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't have anyone to play with it though. I don't really like golfing on my own.
Yeah, hey Nick, does your boot camp on your website cover your full strat? Yeah, it does. Also, too, yeah, it's on the website. I keep forgetting it's on YouTube as well, but yeah, it's all on there. The strategy's pretty easy. I mean, it's literally taught in all those videos. You're kind of just combining time and price with it. So the trade I took today was literally that strategy. I was looking for this hourly gap right here to get respected, which is right here. And then on the 5-minute, I shorted right here on this inverse. And then we had a breaker retest as well. And then looks like price just shot right up and wanted to go higher, which was very surprising because we did not run this 8 a.m. low. But if we would have ran this 8 a.m. low, I would have went break even and maybe even cut longs. But that was very odd to me. Very, very odd. As Matt would say, if it would have been in Asia, it would have swept the low.
100%. Which is why I'm gonna trade Asia tonight.
Yo, what's up, Corey? Hey, good to see you, bro. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not that hard. It's not. It's honestly not that hard. It's just
ridiculous.
It's just tough because I haven't had a whole lot of follow through on my trades lately.
RT between 8 and 10 o'clock. Like the Trump dump yesterday was fucking prime. It literally happened at the new 9 o'clock candle open. And you see like this SMT that was set in at these highs here between the 90s. Or this is what's it called? This is the 90-minute resting here. Right following that, at that resting high, we had a retracement within this 5-minute gap and a sweep here. There's a failure to sweep there on the NASDAQ. Even if you go to the 3-minute time frame, OB sweeping out the high. You go to the 1-minute. 1-minute candle right here, sweeping, closing below, order block, short. Target monthly open.
Yeah, that's so clean.
Like actually the most picture perfect fucking short of all time. It's like literally so fucking clean. Yep, Trump hit a good afternoon and then die.
Bro, like, I'm looking at the heat map right now and everything is red, bro. It doesn't make any sense why we're
Short squeeze. Short squeeze. Oh, I think this StreamYard thing's set up. Boom, boom. Go here. Go. Oh, it's DC Inc.
Let's do a little wheel action here. Freaking getting bored of watching this price action. Let's see what we can get here. All right, let's see. Matt, how long did you go without taking a Zen?
Couple hours.
Full port and eval from VWAP. All right, cool. Let's do it. Where is VWAP at? VWAP. Already fucking passed VWAP. But are we really like pumping through this? This is crazy.
Look at the Dow. The Dow is absolutely ripping cheese right now.
What's the max contract?
Dude, the daily was so... Oh my god, bro. I literally should have put one contract on to the fucking 0.705.
Oh, that hourly as well.
See that?
Yeah.
I can't believe that. You know how much of a donut I look like right now? Because I shorted. But I mean, like, if you look at everything, bro, everything is red as shit, bro. I don't know why we're pumping right now.
Literally fib from that high to this low. 705 tag, wick, pump.
Even bonds are red.
Look at the hourly on the Dow as well, Matt. That OB tab was fire.
Yep. Just like that, like it's fire, but like there's no SMT.
Yeah, but we're waiting to see if that SMT was going to stay or not at that point. So
yeah,
I haven't done anything. No, that trade would have only been valid once it ran the London highs. That's 6 hours.
It's full port eval here. How many contracts I get with this account? It's an EA futures account. It's passing one day. I do have like drawdown on it, so. What's the max contracts?
Fuck.
So 50K, I get, I get 8 contracts. No, I get 4. Okay, that makes sense. All right.
Yeah, that's actually criminal. Not a single 15-minute candle low has been ran since 9:30.
We are balls deep and long right now. I'm on my trade of 8.
Even on gold.
Let's see here. Can I pull it up on here?
Yeah, gold too. Gold left that. Yeah, gold broke some hearts. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Dude, holy shit! What are we doing right now? Oh, what did he just say?
Oh my gosh. This is
We will
crazy.
soon sign in order to pay all incredible. Oh my! What the fuck?
But I just it's these evals, bro. Oh my god, that's crazy. Why is my freaking screen not pulling up? Well, I just like longed like randomly on these evals.
No way.
I swear to God.
Wow.
I'm about to show you guys a screenshot. I just better just long right here.
Dude, oh my fucking god! I wanted to get call options. Fuck me.
Why isn't my
Like fucking sick. We're pumping.
Yeah, you look like a donut, Matt. You're a donut. We're all donuts.
Oh, it's oil gone as well. Oh, kind of dumping.
Bro, I know, right? I need to do a signal servers for evals. They're way freaking better than fundeds this month. Holy cow. What is going on here?
I still can't believe that first one as well. Like,
Bro, this one was
obviously this is
crazier,
news,
bro.
but
I'm about to show y'all. This one was so much crazier.
There's no 1 minute candle for me. Holy shit, my alerts are fucking firing off like a fucking phone call.
I don't know, like a trap line.
Jesus.
Oh
Okay, here
my
we go.
god, dad.
Dude, I know.
Alright, can y'all see my screen? The YouTube chat? Bro, so here it is. I'm sorry, guys. So, literally, this is what happened. I'm gonna see if I can pull the 1 minute chart. So, right as I spun the wheel, I immediately bought on these. Peep this shit. Y'all peep my screen. I just logged in the TradeWise and did it. So these are the EA accounts I had. So I bought, what is that, 40 micros right here, and then literally like the next minute. So this is the 1 minute candle. The next minute it just shot higher, and I was like, I looked over, I'm like up like 25K on the across the evals. I'm like, what the flip? That's I had no idea why it pumped. Does anyone know why we pumped right there? I just keep hearing bad news.
Check the Discord chat. Trump said, we'll soon sign an order to pay all of the incredible employees at Department of Homeland Security. Iran drafting protocol with Oman for demonstrate traffic.
Yeah, this is crazy. I can't believe that happened. I didn't full port. I mean, I full ported, but I didn't full port from a VWAP. I just like literally just bought. Yeah. So I passed these E8 accounts. These E8 one day pass signature accounts. Here, I'll show you guys that. You got this random. Yeah, it's like. Yeah, so 67, 64 off 40. I mean, geez Louise, that was crazy. That was crazy. Max profit on a 50K, I think 54,000, 53. But what do you mean max profit? Well, good thing I'm stacking some fundeds during this time because I'm not really trading my fundeds too well.
Into the moon.
Wow, look at this needle freaking candle on NQ right now. Oh, you passed your Lucid account? Let's go, baby. That was absolutely crazy. Now, Matt, are we short now?
Dude.
What if we short right now? Like, what if it goes lower from here? I'm so undefeated on eval, bro. I swear to God.
This is insane.
Yeah, you're gonna get flagged for insider trading in this way.
Literally. Bro, I mean, like, I cannot believe, like, that candle did that. I know, like, 2 times in a row, I just, like, randomly full port. And, like, it's not like it just barely goes up or down. It's just, like, it's right before a huge candle happens. It's like, how do I get that lucky? And how do I get so unlucky when I'm trading my live account or personal? Like, it's just, like, trading, like, you just have to control what you can control and just... I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's so fun full port evals. like, like that. You know what I mean? Because you, like, look over and it's like, whoa! 7K. Passed. Yeah,
That's
literally,
just so
right?
unlucky.
Let's see here. Alright, so, I mean, I'm locked out. I mean, I can't even, I passed the account. Wait, let me make sure E8 Futures. Yeah, so E8 Futures is pretty good, guys. Got the 1 day pass on those. That's one thing I like. I have 350Ks. So profit target is 3K. So I'm good.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, take it easy. No activation fee. The only thing that does suck a little bit is there's 35% consistency on the funded. Yes, you can trade Tradeify and Trade C on Lucid right now. Pretty cool stuff.
Take it easy, K4.
Yeah, you too, bro. I mean, I'm still gonna pop in tomorrow, I think, and just see like you know, what's going on like the first 15 minutes. Like if it's moving, you know, I'll look for a trade. But if it's actually close, and it's not moving at all, then I'll wrap it up in like 2 minutes. I've never seen the market close at 9:15 a.m. though. I've never seen that. Yeah, literally, bro. You'll see me on the big screen. I'll remember you, I promise. Well, I guess now I can put 3 E8.
Shit there. Crazy world we live in now, huh?
I didn't see that coming,
Last
bro.
week should be a simulation since COVID.
Honestly, I feel like we've been in a simulation since since COVID and since Trump got in office.
Yeah.
I mean, previous day high has got to be the target now, right? I mean,
I guess.
we're already above the 4-hour gap. I mean, I don't. Oh well. See what happens. Anybody know who spoke today? Are you talking about for that news candle just went off, like that big green candle? I don't think anyone spoke. I think market just pumped. If I'm being honest.
I think it's something to do with the Hamas strike.
I know, Michael. Yeah, same here. Just joining, offered no way for me to engage it that long. Yeah, I mean, that's something you have to deal with in trading, right? You feel really good about where the draw is going, and it'll just randomly pump sometimes. Yeah. The EA accounts were 130, I believe, but they said there's a bigger sale coming next week on Monday. So stay tuned for that. I wouldn't buy any right now with that sale coming. See, 5 minutes. I mean, we do have a 5-minute gap here, but we'll wait and see at 11 what happens. I still think we're gonna reach for this previous day high, but if we just start selling off from here, and we get down to like 24,000 even, I'll probably just not walk away. Because I would love for previous day high to get hit. I don't want to see it come all the way up here, do what it just did, and not take any significant high. I mean, it did take the Asia high just now from when Trump started speaking last night, but you know, for truly bullish, previous day high should be ran any freaking day. That's like a non-negotiable. Okay, so here we go. Tradeify. Good trading hours tomorrow. Markets will close early at 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Please, oh, wow. You can't even trade tomorrow if you wanted to. Please ensure all positions are closed before 9 a.m. tomorrow. Dang.
Yeah, tomorrow's not a trading day.
Yeah, but I mean, I've never seen it at 9 a.m. before. So I was just like, I wonder how, if it's going to be like one of those half days or like the
That's a
markets.
bank holiday sort of thing.
Yeah. All right.
3-day weekend. Not going to complain.
Yeah, some of us need it for sure.
That means for us traders, it's basically Friday.
Today is Friday. Are you looking for a position up to a previous day high? I am. If we can get it.
I don't care what anyone says. That man, Palm Beach Pete, is fucking Jeffrey Epstein.
Yeah, that's
That
crazy.
is fucking Epstein. That literally is him.
How could it not be?
It is him.
Did you
That
see?
is
Did
the
you see
man
that thing where Jeffrey
right
Epstein
there.
won the lottery back in 2008? Jeffrey Epstein won the Powerball in 2008.
I did not know that.
Oh yeah, you didn't know that?
It's in the files. It's in the files, isn't it?
I didn't know that.
So in 2008, what was it? Powerball.
I was not familiar with that.
Oh dang! You know what's pretty cool about E8? I passed that count and it already sent me, so I can actually start the funded right now. That's pretty cool. That's pretty sweet, actually. Yeah, so in 2008, a trust linked to Jeffrey Epstein, known as the Zorro Trust, won an $85 million Powerball jackpot in July 2008.
What?
That's, like, yeah.
$200 million or $80 million?
80 million, but after taxes, the payoff was 30 million. Like, he actually...
Damn.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, no, imagine Jeffrey just going to work one morning, like, just reading that the night before and driving to work at, like, 6 a.m., like, knowing hey, you're gonna do everything you need to do, but you know, still people out here freaking getting away with stuff. Like, that's gotta be the worst thing ever. It's just like a huge punch in the gut, bro.
Yeah,
If
it's
it's,
nuts.
I had no idea what the reason was for the pump. I had no idea.
It's Iran.
Yeah, so I can actually go and activate these funded accounts from E8 right now. I think Lucid does the same thing. Pretty cool. Yeah, I am. 15-minute. Uh, 8:30 NFP full port. Nah, I probably won't do one tomorrow.
That's right.
Yes, one time when they had the inactivity rule is when they did. That's when I got rejected. Let's see, 15. Yeah, I copy trade all. Yeah. Last year I was doing like batches, like 30 or 40 funded, like 10 of them at a time. But I find it just better just to change the risk around and take all the accounts. I just passed 3 E8 accounts. Those are pretty sick. If you pass the same day, you can do the funded.
You could trade them the same day you pass them.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
I got an email saying it did, so I just haven't activated it yet. That's fine. For you, one-man traders could potentially look at something like this, but I don't trade the M1. Mainly just watching the M5. 50s and 150Ks. I don't have any 100Ks. I mean, low key. Four minutes to 11 a.m. I want to see us reach inside this 15-minute gap. And then reach for previous day high. Oh yeah, in the past, absolutely. Absolutely have lost funded accounts before. Who hasn't? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we should do Asia streams for sure. God dang. It's been so crazy. Although I will say last night, I don't know like where you're gonna sell at. I mean, to be fair. I mean, how this moved down here. I mean, maybe right here on this fair value gap, and then after that, it just kind of kept exploding down. I don't really know like where you'd sell at. But.
All right. I have the Blue Guardian future stream at 11, so I am going to bounce over to that. It seems to be that price is probably going to gravitate to previous daily high within, it's actually insane. We're taking previous daily low and looking to take previous daily high within the same day. I guess if you wanted to do something, you can frame trades from 15-minute gaps, continuation to the previous daily high. I don't even think that you're going to get that personally. But if you're lucky, watch it. I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day. I genuinely, like, it's annoying that price didn't sweep out the low from the morning, because then it would have been a picture perfect A+ long, but didn't get that. So didn't match with the model. Therefore, no harm, no foul. And I am completely fine with letting this move, and I will look to see if anything can come about during Asia or not. Yeah, basically Asia's the last opportunity for a trade this week, because tomorrow is deadbeat for Good Friday. So take care, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys next
Monday.
week.
Yeah.
This is everyone.
See you, bro. See you, Kieran. Yeah, I'm gonna head out of here too. Could potentially look at this 1 minute long on NQ to the previous day high, but like Matt said, I don't think it's gonna work out. But much rather prefer a 15-minute gap tag. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Thanks for everyone for tuning in. The giveaway accounts will be sent out tomorrow. If you guys have not done that yet, I will drop that here in the chat again. I'll put it in the TikTok chat, put it in the YouTube chat. You blew 6 accounts today? Why? I mean, did you take one trade on 6 accounts and you blew it? You just gotta size down, man. Size down until you get your confidence back, and then size back up once you get it back. That's all you gotta do. Or when the market's giving you better conditions. I'm not sizing up right now. I know if I sized up right now and I took 2 trades that worked out, like I would literally make back almost all my losses from March. So like I'm not really tweaking about it. Plus, when you trade more accounts, you can like risk less because you got more. So, anyways, that's gonna do it for me. See you guys back here on Monday or Tuesday. So, peace, everybody.